Hello and welcome to this new video on how to sync OneDrive. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Just click on the search bar. Now you just have to type OneDrive and press enter the keyboard. Now the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on that. Download text. Just click on it and download interface will be opened right in front of your screen. And when this interface is opened, you just have to click on that download button and the download procedure of OneDrive will begin. And when the OneDrive is successfully downloaded in your PC or computer, then you just have to set up the OneDrive. And when you have done the setup, you just have to go to the PC or your file explorer, and if you are able to see personal or OneDrive file explorer, then it means that your OneDrive has been synced. So this is how you can easily sync OneDrive. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.